Welcome to the Ideal Life and Money Academy YouTube channel. This is where we help you reach financial freedom and start living your ideal life years, if not decades earlier. Today, I want to talk to you about why. Why do you do the things that you do? And this could be as simple as, why do you tie the shoes, your tennis shoes? Why do you tie your shoes the way that you do? Why do you take a shower in that same order the way you do? And I have a story that has always stuck with me, and it's the turkey story. So there's a newlywed couple, and they have Thanksgiving, and they're having family coming over. So the wife cuts the neck off the turkey, and the husband asks, "Why do you cut the neck off the turkey?" She says, "I don't know. My mom always did." Great. Mom's coming over. Let's ask her. "Mom, why do you cut the neck off the turkey?" She says, "I don't know. My mom always did." Well, this is awesome because grandma's still alive and she's coming over. So we asked Grandma, why did you cut the neck off the turkey? And she said, matter of factly, it didn't fit in my oven. Turkeys may have been bigger 40 years ago. Ovens would have been smaller 40 years ago. But no one bothered to ask or teach why Grandma cut the neck off the turkey. So it became a tradition. Now, where does this relate to other areas of your life that you just have done it because, well, that's the way we've always done it, or my family does it this way, or because the TV told you to? I remember asking my dad one time, why did you make us drink milk as kids? He says, I don't know. That's what you're supposed to do. It was good for you. Well, who told you that? And we had a conversation for a few minutes, and ultimately, it was because of TV commercials. I don't think that's a really good reason. Now, I'm not saying that maybe milk is bad for you. I'm just giving you another example. And this shows up in every single area of our life. Why do you do the things that you do? Back to finances. Why was I so adamant about getting and keeping a credit score? I had an 800 credit score, and I was so proud of that until I learned what it cost me, which was tens of thousands of dollars in interest. And that little number has nothing to do with wealth. So I continue to learn. And I learn in all areas of my life. Financially, in my health life, specifically, I'm going through a health journey now. But this can be relationally. This could be in your work, in your business. I just want to encourage you to ask the question, why? Why do you do things? And I don't care what it is. It doesn't have to be just like me. I don't want a whole world of Mikes. I don't. I want you to be able to explain to me why you do things. That's all I'm asking. So where do you need to ask why in your life?